Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can use coupon on Shein. So in order to use coupon on Shein, it's a very simple process. Now you can use a coupon on a checkout process. So whenever you're actually buying a product, you can use it as a payment method and you can get certain amount of discount. So first of all, log in into your Shein account, and once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now if you tap on the me icon located in the bottom right hand side corner, and then it's gonna take you to the profile page, and over here tap on the coupon icon located in the top left hand side corner. As you can see, in my case I have 3 different coupons. So if you want to apply for it, then just go ahead and tap on the apply button, and that's gonna provide you with the list of items that you can actually apply for it and get certain amount of discount. So you can just go ahead and tap on the item that you actually want to go ahead with and click on go to checkout, or just you can tap on the add to cart button, and after that you can use the coupon on Shein app. And likewise, you can also go ahead and select any of the other random product, and then you can go to the payment section, and right at the bottom you'll also be able to find an option as use a gift card, and all you need to do is just enter in the gift card information, and then you'll be able to use coupon on Shein app. So in that way you can use coupon on Shein app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.